Have you ever been stuck driving your sedan or daily car, turning up the volume only to realize the bass is weak, flat, and just doesn't hit the way it should? You're not alone. Factory sound systems rarely give you the depth, punch, and clarity true bass lovers want. But here's the good news. Today, I'm going to solve that problem. I'll be walking you through the top 5 best subwoofers for daily driving, ranked from number 5 all the way to number 1, so you'll know exactly which subwoofer matches your car, your music style, and your budget. By the end of this video, you'll be able to transform your daily commute into a bass-filled cabin. And before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more honest reviews and audio guides. Drop a comment below about which subwoofer you choose, and check out the links in the description to grab the best deals on all of today's picks. The ORION XTR series, XTR-10-D4 shallow mount 10-inch subwoofer is designed for those who want strong bass performance in tight installs. This subwoofer delivers up to 1600 watts of peak power with 400 watts RMS, giving you a clean and consistent bass output without overpowering your daily setup. It features a dual 4-ohm voice coil configuration, a UV-coated cone for durability, and an NBR rubber surround that helps the cone move freely for smoother sound. The shallow mount design makes it perfect for compact vehicles or drivers who want bass without sacrificing too much trunk space. What makes the ORION XTR stand out is its practicality. It's slim, efficient, and still manages to hit hard even though it's not as deep as a traditional sub. It's perfect for drivers who want an upgrade from stock bass, but don't have the space for a massive box. Daily drivers, commuters, or anyone with a smaller trunk will love how this subwoofer balances power and practicality. Its only shortcoming is that it doesn't hit the extreme lows like some bulkier subs, but for the space it saves, it's absolutely worth it. The Sounds STRATO-10-D4 is a beast of a 10-inch subwoofer, offering a maximum power rating of 2500 watts with a 1250 watts RMS handling that lets it perform at high levels without distortion. It comes in a dual 4-ohm voice coil design, which allows flexible wiring options for different amplifier setups. This subwoofer is built with a competition-grade pressed paper cone, a high-roll foam surround, and a massive double-stacked magnet structure that gives it incredible excursion and bass output. What makes the Strato stand out is its ability to deliver competition-level performance while still being usable for daily driving. It's tuned for people who want loud, punchy bass that shakes the cabin, and it handles modern bass-heavy music like hip-hop, EDM, and trap with absolute authority. It's a fantastic choice for anyone who wants to feel the bass in their chest while still keeping the system reliable for daily use. The one drawback is that it requires a good amount of power and a solid enclosure to reach its full potential, but once set up correctly, it's a powerhouse that's totally worth the effort. The Skar Audio SVR10-D4 is a 10-inch dual 4-ohm subwoofer rated at 1600 watts maximum power and 800 watts RMS. It is built to bring deep, aggressive bass at a very affordable price point. With its 2.6-inch high-temperature voice coil, pressed paper cone, and a competition-grade foam surround, this subwoofer can take serious power without breaking a sweat. The SVR series is also equipped with advanced cooling design to keep the motor running cool, even during long bass-heavy sessions. The SVR10 stands out because it delivers premium-level sound performance at a price that's very budget-friendly. It's perfect for anyone who wants to step into the world of real bass without spending thousands of dollars. Music lovers who listen to rap, rock, or electronic tracks will love how this subwoofer fills out the sound system with punchy and dynamic low-end performance. The only downside is that it may not last as long as ultra-premium subs under extreme abuse, but for the price and performance you get, it's a killer deal that's well worth every penny. The DD Audio 610-D4 is a true powerhouse in the world of 10-inch subwoofers, with a staggering peak power rating of 3000 watts and a robust 1000 watts RMS handling that makes it one of the hardest-hitting daily drivers on the market. This subwoofer features a dual 4-ohm voice coil setup, a carbon fiber reinforced cone, and a durable surround designed to withstand extreme pressure. Its motor is engineered with high-grade cooling to ensure efficiency and consistency even under heavy loads. What makes the DD Audio 10-D4 unique is its combination of brute strength and refined sound quality. Unlike some subs that only get loud, this one manages to stay tight and musical, producing bass that's not just felt but also well-controlled and accurate. This makes it a fantastic choice for serious enthusiasts who want a high-end subwoofer that can handle competition-level performance while still sounding great on daily commutes. The drawback here is the price. It's not the cheapest subwoofer out there, but considering the craftsmanship and sheer performance, it's absolutely worth the investment for those who want serious bass without compromise. Finally, taking the top spot is the Sundown Audio U10-D4, a 10-inch subwoofer that delivers an incredible 1500 watts RMS and peaks far beyond that when pushed to the limit. This subwoofer features a dual 4-ohm voice coil, a high-strength paper cone reinforced for durability, and a wide roll surround for maximum excursion. With its massive motor and advanced engineering, the U10 is designed to dig deep into the low frequencies while maintaining accuracy and power. The Sundown Audio U10 is a standout because it combines legendary build quality with unmatched bass output, making it the ultimate choice for daily drivers who want professional-level sound in their cars. It's perfect for bass enthusiasts who want to push their system hard every day while still enjoying clean, reliable, and heart-thumping performance. Whether you're listening to hip-hop, EDM, or heavy bass tracks, this subwoofer will turn your car into a rolling soundstage. The only minor con is that it takes up a bit more space and needs the right amp to unleash its full potential. But for the level of bass and build quality it delivers, it's the clear number one choice and totally worth it. And that wraps up our countdown of the top 5 best subwoofers for daily driving. Whether you want a compact shallow mount design like the ORION XTR, a budget-friendly powerhouse like the Skar Audio SVR, or the ultimate bass beast like the Sundown U10, there's a subwoofer here for every type of driver. In conclusion, when it comes to choosing the perfect subwoofer for your daily driving setup, it's all about finding the right balance between power, sound quality, and practicality. The first thing you should think about is your car's available space. Sedans and compact vehicles don't usually have the room for massive 15-inch subs with giant enclosures, which is why compact and efficient subs are so popular. The second factor is the type of music you enjoy. If you're into bass-heavy tracks like hip-hop, trap, or EDM, you'll want a subwoofer that can dig deep and move air, whereas rock or acoustic lovers might prefer tighter, punchier bass response. Power handling also matters. You need a subwoofer that matches well with your amplifier to avoid underpowering or overpowering the system. That's where 10-inch subwoofers shine the most. They're the perfect middle ground, because they offer a powerful, impactful bass that's deeper than most 8-inch models, while still being tighter and more responsive than bulkier 12 or 15-inch options. For daily drivers, a 10-inch sub gives you enough low end to feel the music without overwhelming the entire car or taking up your trunk. It's versatile, efficient, and works across nearly every genre of music, making it the best overall choice for most people who want to enjoy clean, hard-hitting bass every single day. Now, I want to hear from you. Which one of these subs would you put in your daily driver? Drop a comment below and let's talk bass. Don't forget to check out the links in the description to find the best deals on all these subwoofers, and make sure you subscribe so you don't miss future reviews, tips, and car audio guides. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.